Hey friends, if you wish to change sleep settings on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedures. First of all, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on power and battery. Expand screen and sleep. Now there's an option for put my device to sleep after. Now you can change the sleep time here. I can change it to 45 minutes for the on power mode, and let's say I can change it to 2 hours for the plugged in mode. Okay, or I can just keep it at never, because I always keep it at never. I don't like my system going to sleep. And after that, there's one more thing that you can do about it. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. This will open the power options window. Click on change plan settings, and then you have the option to change the sleep time to 5 minutes and this one to, let's say, 1 hour. I mean, it's the same thing, it's just different methods to do the same thing. Click on save changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.